I brought my ladders from home. This one's I have a really long one here that's good for tall areas. Here's the view. So I'm using this Scotch-Brite pad, and it's kind of like a Brillo pad, but it's kind of like a composite material. So as I'm sanding it, and the rain here is giving me some lubrication, so it's also washing away the patina that I'm hitting. So right about here is where I scrubbed from the top down to the bottom. So you might be able to see the parting line right here, where I washed from here up and from here down is still dirty. Hasn't been hit by the Scotch-Brite, but you know, this is just road grime and dust and what have you. The patina might, I might consider that like the sun baked some of the paint and faded it, and over the years dirt and stuff got on it. But this seems to be working pretty good, so I'm just going to keep going. I got to get the camera out of the rain here, but I just want to show a close-up. So you can see I got the ladder tied off in a couple different spots, because I just want to make sure I'm doing this safe, and I have a no-slip material here. So I'm getting a little wet and getting a little paint on my hands, but whatever. It's worth the effort just to get this done, and tomorrow I can come by and give it another wipe, and then I think we'll be ready to paint. Scotch-Brite, and I'm going up and down, and then I'm doing a horizontal motion, so I kind of put some English on anything that's loose in this direction. If there's anything that's loose that wants to come off easy, that's what this is doing, taking care of. And then I'm going to go kind of in a circle. This way it's kind of omnidirectional, so I can get anything that wants to come off easily, like mostly grime and dust and stuff, and patina from the faded paint. So this is by no means the perfect cleaning, but it's getting the worst of the worst off. But we wanted to make the pole look just as nice as the new sign. So put some effort into cleaning this up, priming it and painting it. This will make it a well-rounded restoration, top to bottom. Now there's also some bracketry that supports the sign. That has to be reinstalled before the sign is hung off of it. And the hardware we removed will also be replaced.